this must come to an end, because drivers cannot just drive for long distance and trying to make money on one day, whereas we've got 365 days that we are making business. Life of our customers is very important. And Minister, we are also dealing with the breathalysers that are going to come into our cars. Before the driver takes a trip, and he must go through a breathalyser. And the breathalyser will be connected to a car. If it sends, the car won't start. And after certain kilometers or after, he must do it again. And the camera system in our cars as well, so that we are able to monitor that they do the right thing.